why did I decide to actually endorse it? Because it's my lifestyle. I'm very active. I do a lot of sport. Everyone knows, even though may controversial issue ngayon na pagawa daw tong katawan ko. No, it's just I play a lot of sports and I eat hopefully the right way. Efficient one has high protein. It's good for my body. And at the same time, although usually healthy foods are not masarap, masarap siya. So it was a no-brainer for me to say yes to the trip.
Working relationship with Angie, you working yung dalawa sa Century 2.
It's great. We actually got along right away. Walang kailangan. At first, kasi kala ko, what's the word? Mataray or kasi she has sharp features. But I've always been intrigued to work with her. And when we saw each other on the set, chika-chika na kaagad. And sobra siyang mabait. She's always saying, alaga niya ako, mag-inom ka ng tubig, katulungan niya ako inom ng tubig. She knew I wasn't feeling well, so she's giving me medicine. Sobrang mabait siya.
Okay. Dali ka bang paano kayo nag-work together?
It was fun. We didn't really know each other nung nag-umpisa kami magtrabaho. Hi, hello. So it was kind of weird na paano magkakatrabaho. Pero when we got to the set, it's like we were friends.
Pero are you wishing na
I don't know if I'm the ultimate movie fan, but I've always said that on the top of my list who I'd like to work with. Something about her intrigues me. I think she's a great actress. I think she's beautiful. And I think she's easy to work with. So, sana magkatrabaho. Ito na. Alis na kami this Saturday. 2 years waiting. All the hard work of planning the trip, the itinerary, everything. It's kind of hard to believe na ito na. Nandito na. So, nakapack na nga kami. Both of us are packed, ready to go. Nagbibilang na lang ng araw siguro until we leave.
Derek, sorry pero very controversial sa these days. And meron mga blind items na ikaw talaga tinutukoy na may asawa at anak ka na daw.
Here comes another one that I have to say. I crossed that issue last week. Ngayon, may issue naman daw na peke katawan ko. May issue na naman daw na may sex video ako. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I really don't want to believe that there's somebody out there now is trying to hurt me or trying to despise me. But I'm happy. I'm happy with my career. I'm happy with my relationship with my family, with Angel, with my friends. Those are the people that are important to me, and I guess I just have to throw it over my shoulder again. Basta hindi lang apakyat sa pamilya ko, I'll take it with a smile.
Pero ikaw ba may clue ka sa mga detractors?
No, and I don't even try to find out. Why would I? Sinabi ko naman sa inyo, I've always been honest with you guys na if you don't like me, I'm not going to make the effort for you to like me. Bibigyan kita ng respeto, and I only look for respect in return. But I can't please everybody. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, and I cannot go around here trying to make everyone like me. It's just not who I am, and what you see is what you get. If you don't like me, then fine.
Pero anong reaction mo dun sa mga sinasabi nilang kinasal ka na daw, may anak?
That's not the first time. It's actually been, may picture daw ako ng may kasamang anak. I take pictures with kids left and right, and nagka-issue nga na may mga fans na kumahalik sa akin. I won't stop doing that. You'll probably get more pictures of that because that's who I am. If a fan wants to give me a kiss on the cheek, nabanggit. Sila ang reason why I'm here. Sila ang reason why I'm up here and I have a career. I want to give back what I can, and it's so hard to believe that something that small can make somebody so happy. So why not do that, diba? So yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to change all of that, but I guess there's gonna be more, and I'll cross that bridge when I get there.
What if one day may lumabas na marriage contract, whether it's true or not? Anong gagawin mo kaya?
I don't know. When it gets there, then when it gets there, I don't know. Marriage contract, bring it on.
Parang ang dami ngayon nag-claim like si Sam before, naranasan din niya na mag-claim na may asawa na siya.
Exactly. I think it's nagsasabay-sabay nga. Si Sam, ang una, ako next. I don't know who's next, but like I said, I really don't wanna
believe that somebody is going out there making up stuff to hurt you or to bring you down. I don't want to believe that, but it's kind of hard not to put that in the back of your head after sunod-sunod.
Derek, lahat ng issue, parang ni-smile mo lang, binabaliwala mo. Anong issue ang hindi mo kayang tatanggapin?
I think you know the answer to that. It's pag inano pamilya ko. I said that, I said it on the buzz, I said it to you guys many times before na kung ano yung pamilya ko, idadama yung pamilya ko, doon talaga ako. Like, the only one issue that got on my nerve is when kinakalat na, may kumakalat na si Angel daw, hindi gusto ng pamilya ko. That got on my nerve. But still then, why stress on it? You gotta live life. I can die tomorrow. You know, I can die on my trip in South Africa. I gotta live life. I gotta live life, enjoy it with the people that are close to me, the people that I love, and actually everyone that I meet. So that's how I'm going to live life.
At sa South Africa, ba yung big or
I don't know. There's no plan. To tell you the truth, in all honesty, it's a 2-year plan that we've been doing. And the truth is, there was no plan na magpo-propose ako doon. But you never know, because it's a time now for the two of us to catch up together. It's a time for the two of us to get to know each other again, because we lost so much time together. We'll see.
Pero personally, ano yung pinag-date ng World Cup bilang dream come true yun para sa'yo na makarating doon?
When I get back,